Hello, it's here, an overnight delivery too. It's my Q TIMEX 1972. I've got this rather handy and very sharp knife to open the package. That should do it. Yep, let's put this very sharp knife away carefully. Try not to catch my fingers. Now let's speed things up a bit. And there it is, a few more layers to go I think. Looks like it slides out, I think. Looking good. Check out this satisfying sound of the box opening. Got to say the packaging looks nicely put together. And here it is, what a beauty. Bring it a bit closer so you can see. It's quite simple packaging, but it does a job. It looks like there's some more information inside the lid. Let's have a look. What did this say? Timex celebrating 50 years of quartz. The 1970s brought our first range of quartz watches with one iconic design after another, aptly called the Q TIMEX collection. On its 50th anniversary, we're celebrating the Q that started it all. I'll let you read the rest. Uh-oh, I think we've got the dreaded plastic wrap here. It's incredibly difficult to get off. I always find it really difficult to find the actual end to start the peeling process. Is that it? No. Try the other side. No, that's not it either. Maybe around here. Yep, that's it. Surprisingly difficult to actually get off. You have to use a bit of brute force. Starting to come off now. Get this over the buckle. Oh, there's another bit over the acrylic crystal. Try and get the thumbnail on there. Looking good. Amazing reflections. That lovely red dial. What's the back look like? Oh, I think there's another piece on there. Let's try and peel that off. Yep, get off my fingers. It's incredibly similar to the original vintage watches, except it's got the 4 locating screws on either corner. Yes, very nice. I'm definitely pleased with this one. It's approximately 40mm lug to lug with a 20mm strap width, so that's pretty good. It has quite a lofty depth of 13mm, but some of that's the acrylic dome. Let's just rotate it and have a look at those reflections. That crystal has a really nice distortion on it. And again, that red dial looks really lovely with the floating indices. You might think it might be a bit top heavy looking at the depth of the thing, but it's actually not very heavy anyway, so it's when you've got it on your wrist it just feels nice and comfy. The leather straps decent quality. I probably would have preferred it if it was a little bit more chunky looking, but it goes nicely with the case. Let's see what it looks like when it's on my wrist. There it is. It's as I say, it's amazingly comfortable. I guess you'd probably need to be a little bit careful you didn't catch it on things when you're wearing it out and about, but other than that, it's yeah, very nice. I've got my 50-year-old Timex Q to compare, so let's have a look at that. Looking at them, you wouldn't know there's 50 years between them, but you can see the vintage Timex has a smoother second-hand sweep. Other than that, they're amazingly similar. Let's compare the new with the old on wrist again. So they've got a nice close-up of the dome crystal distorting the light and the reflections on the case. Very pleased with that. Here's the vintage 50-year-old example. Still in an amazing condition. It also cost about 1/6 of the cost of the new one, so that's pretty good. Please like and subscribe as it really helps the channel. Thanks a lot. Bye.